Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive south on I-95, concurrent with the I-495 inner loop, the clockwise portion of the Capital Beltway. We begin at mile 25 in Greenbelt, Maryland. Greenbelt was established on September 30, 1937, as a public cooperative community during the New Deal era. The project was both a practical solution to a housing crisis and an ambitious social experiment in community planning. Designed to provide affordable housing for federal workers near Washington, D.C., Greenbelt was one of 3 Greenbelt towns conceived in 1935 by Rexford Tugwell, a close advisor to President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The federal government saw the Greenbelt project as a way to create jobs, stimulate the economy after the Great Depression, and demonstrate a new model of suburban living. Eleanor Roosevelt played a key role in the planning of Greenbelt, helping select the site, which was previously farmland dominated by tobacco fields. Greenbelt was designed with a strong emphasis on cooperative living. Key institutions that continue today include the Greenbelt News Review, the Greenbelt Consumers Co-op Grocery Store, the New Deal Cafe, and Greenbelt Homes Incorporated, which maintains the original housing in the town's historic core. The city's original federally planned section is now designated as the Greenbelt Historic District, preserving its unique history and legacy. Exits 19A and B provide access to U.S. Highway 50, and here we see our first overhead sign showing the control city of Richmond alone. Here the beltway splits in two with through lanes to the left and local lanes on the right, allowing access to off-ramps and on-ramps. We opted to take the through lane since we didn't have any intention of exiting. Ahead, notice the overpass with all of the trees and vegetation on it. This is the Potomac River Waterfront Park, built on a bridge over the interstate. After passing under the park, we get on the Woodrow Wilson Memorial Bridge to cross the Potomac River. This will take us out of the state of Maryland, through the District of Columbia, and then into the state of Virginia. The original bridge here opened in 1961 and carried both the inner and outer loop. The new outer loop span was opened in 2006, and the inner loop span, which we're on, opened in 2008. The Wilson Bridge features a drawbridge, a rarity on the interstate highway system. The bridge's western midspan extends about 300 feet into the southernmost tip of the District of Columbia, making it unique among U.S. bridges. It is the only bridge in the country to span 3 state-level jurisdictions: Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia. Additionally, the portion of the bridge within D.C. holds the distinction of being the shortest segment of an interstate highway between 2 state lines. As we get into Virginia, we're in the independent city of Alexandria. With a population of 159,467 as of the 2020 census, Alexandria ranks as the 6th most populous city in Virginia and the 169th in the U.S. As a principal city of the Washington metropolitan area, it is heavily influenced by its proximity to the nation's capital. Many residents work in the federal government, military, or defense contracting, with major employers including the U.S. Department of Defense and the Institute for Defense Analyses. Alexandria is the highest income independent city in Virginia and is well known for its historic district, Old Town Alexandria. This charming waterfront area, filled with boutiques, restaurants, antique shops, and theaters, is a major attraction for both locals and visitors. Many of the city's neighborhoods are compact and walkable, adding to its appeal as a vibrant urban center. Though parts of nearby Fairfax County use Alexandria mailing addresses, they fall under county jurisdiction, so the term City of Alexandria is used to specify things within the city limits. Here, I-95 separates from the Beltway, and I-95 becomes the Henry G. Shirley Memorial Highway. At this same junction, Virginia's I-395 spurs off towards the District of Columbia in the opposite direction, and under the same name. We'll conclude today's video at Virginia Mile 170. Thanks for watching. You can become a channel member for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos, plus your name on the screen at the end of every video. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.